from a liquid culture, so not from a plate, but from a broth, then you would flip the bottom of your broth tube to resuspend the bacteria in the broth. You can see all the bacteria coming up. Alright, and then you're going to get your sample right directly from here. So you wouldn't need the drop of water because this is already liquid. So you need to sterilize your broth tube. Sterilize the lid really good. So you want to hold it for about 10 seconds in the heat, and then you can sit it down on the table. And then again, re-sterilize the opening of your tube for about 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, again, you want to sterilize your inoculating loop. And then again, you can flick to make sure it's still good and suspended. Alright, and then you want to put your inoculating loop in kind of slowly so that it doesn't sizzle too much and kill all your bacteria. Go all the way down to the bottom, swirl it around a few good times, and then you get a loop full of bacteria, and you can kind of spread that around on your slide. Alright. And again, sterilize the inoculating loop before you lay it back on the table. And then again, re-sterilize the opening of your tube and the cap of your tube, right, so that you don't contaminate your sample. Alright, and then you can actually go back to the prep. So you can re-sterilize your inoculating loop, right, and then again, you can kind of spread that bacteria out thin so you get a nice thin preparation, right, and then again, you heat that, and then again you would heat, and then from here the procedure would be the same, right? So again, you would heat fix your smear, right, and then you would be ready to do the same simple staining procedure that we did on the other preparation.